Women's hormones have a profound influence on various aspects of their health, behavior, and emotions. Here are some key facts. #1. Menstrual cycle and hormones. Estrogen and progesterone. The menstrual cycle is regulated by the hormones estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen peaks during the first half of the cycle, follicular phase, and helps build the uterine lining. Progesterone rises in the second half, luteal phase, to prepare the body for a possible pregnancy. Hormonal fluctuations. These fluctuations can affect mood, energy levels, and even physical symptoms like bloating and breast tenderness. #2. Premenstrual syndrome, PMS, hormonal sensitivity. Some women are more sensitive to hormonal changes, leading to PMS symptoms such as mood swings, irritability, anxiety, and physical discomfort. This usually occurs in the luteal phase, right before menstruation. #3. Pregnancy, increased hormone levels during pregnancy. Hormones like human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, estrogen, and progesterone increase significantly. These hormones help maintain the pregnancy, but can also cause symptoms like nausea, fatigue, and emotional changes. #4. Menopause, decline in estrogen. As women approach menopause, their estrogen levels decline, leading to the end of menstruation. This hormonal shift can cause symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, mood changes, and changes in sexual function. #5. Hormonal birth control. Synthetic hormones. Birth control methods like the pill, patch, or IUDs often use synthetic hormones to prevent ovulation. These can also influence mood, weight, and menstrual regularity. #6. Polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, hormonal imbalance. PCOS is a condition where women have an imbalance of reproductive hormones, leading to irregular periods, excess androgen male hormones, and insulin resistance. #7. Thyroid function. Impact on menstrual cycle. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism. Hypothyroidism, low thyroid function, or hyperthyroidism, high thyroid function, can lead to irregular menstrual cycles, fertility issues, and mood changes. #8. Mood and mental health. Estrogen's role. Estrogen has a protective effect on serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood. Fluctuations in estrogen levels can influence the risk of depression and anxiety, particularly around menstruation, postpartum, and menopause. #9. Bone health, estrogen and bones. Estrogen plays a crucial role in maintaining bone density. A decline in estrogen during menopause increases the risk of osteoporosis, a condition where bones become weak and brittle. #10. Cardiovascular health, estrogen's protective effect. Estrogen is believed to have a protective effect on the cardiovascular system, which is why premenopausal women generally have a lower risk of heart disease than men. However, this risk increases after menopause. #11. Skin and hair. Hormonal influence on skin. Hormones like estrogen and androgens affect skin and hair. For example, estrogen promotes skin elasticity and thickness, while an excess of androgens can lead to acne and hair loss. #12. Appetite and weight. Hormonal impact on metabolism. Hormones can influence appetite and metabolism. For instance, some women experience increased hunger or cravings before their period due to hormonal fluctuations. These hormonal influences are complex and can vary widely among individuals. Understanding them can help women manage their health more effectively.